Nebraska has become the latest American state to limit abortion rights. A bill has been passed banning abortion after 12 weeks of pregnancy, with some exceptions. The bill also bans gender-altering surgery and restricts hormone therapy and puberty-blocking drugs for transgender people under the age of 19. Our correspondent Peter Bowes has more.
This measure has passed after weeks of heated debate, indeed angry protests in and around the legislative chamber during the final hours of debate leading up to the vote. And rather unusually, this bill has combined two issues, the issue of abortion, but also the issue of medical care for transgender teenagers. The end result on abortion, it is banned after 12 weeks. As a result of this bill, which we expect the state governor to sign into law fairly soon. On the issue of medical assistance for transgender teenagers, transgender altering surgery has been banned, and the use of so-called puberty blockers, drugs that pause puberty for people under the age of 19, restrictions have been put on the use of those drugs, but not a ban. And I think it's significant that these restrictions are not as harsh as certainly some other states in terms of legislation around the country, but also not as harsh as originally envisioned by Republicans for this particular bill. For example, they wanted abortion to be banned after just 6 weeks, and it seems as if this has become a political reality that there would have to be some compromise. There was some opposition on the Republican side to this, and of course this comes just under a year after the US Supreme Court overturned a woman's constitutional right to have an abortion, and ever since then there have been abortion bans brought in 14 states around the country. There's still many cases going through the courts, cases that are challenging the efforts of state governments. As far as this particular legislation in Nebraska is concerned, opponents say that it is unconstitutional and that it is cruel. Supporters say it is essentially safeguarding the rights of the unborn baby. They also say it is safeguarding those teenagers who may go ahead with irreversible medical procedures that some people say they may live to regret.
Peter Bowes reporting.